We have to identify the types of reaction. I have given you some of the reaction right over here, and if you'll see, there are some of the reactions name. Okay, so what we have discussed till now, from there only we have to identify what type of reaction is this one. So one by, you see, the combination reaction is there, okay, which we know as synthesis, we can know. Okay, after that there is a direct combination reaction. Okay, so same thing, direct combination reaction or synthesis, both are same thing. Okay, so next one is decomposition reaction, and in that the decomposition can be, okay, the decomposition can be by application of the heat, then it will be thermal decomposition. If it is the application of electric current, there is a electrolytic decomposition. If it is with the help of light, sunlight, that is known as photochemical decomposition. Okay, and in some case decomposition of metallurgy. Okay, so decomposition has this many types. Okay, after that we will go for displacement reaction. After that we will go for displacement reaction. Okay, so there is a, after that there is a double decomposition reaction. In the double decomposition we have precipitation reaction as well as we have neutralization reaction. So these are the types of reaction. We have to identify the types of reaction and we have to write the answer. Okay, we have to write the answer. Okay, now if you will see from the starting, okay, if you will see from the starting, is it a combination reaction? Synthesis, a combination means what? You will get a only one product on the right hand side. Okay, if you will see anywhere in one product, two product, one product we have. So let me see, two reactor, one product. This is a synthesis reaction. Okay, this is a synthesis, or we can say combination. We can say combination reaction or synthesis reaction. Okay, one is done for us. One is done for us. Okay, next one. Anywhere else, two. No, it's not done. So okay, it's done. Okay, now combination is after that. We have decomposition. Decomposition means if you will see left hand side, reactant side should have only one. Okay, reactant. Okay, let's see, two reactants, one reactant we have. One reactant, two products. This is a decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. Okay, it's done. Anywhere. So again one. Again we have decomposition reaction. Okay, right? Okay, so in this we have decomposition reaction. So this is also decomposition reaction. Okay, decomposition reaction. So here also, sir, we have one, we are getting two. Again, it's a decomposition reaction, simple. Decomposition reaction. Okay. Now, sir, in the decomposition reaction, you have written something with the help of electricity, with the help of light, okay, with the help of heat. So that one, what we have to do? In this only you have to write. So you have written decomposition, but it's not completed. Now, in decomposition, which type of reaction is that one? Because of heat, there is thermal decomposition, you write. Because of heat, thermal decomposition reaction. So you have to add thermal right over here. You have to add thermal right over here. Okay, now here, so this one, sir, this one, if I am not wrong, this is because of sunlight. This is because of sunlight, sir. You forgot to write. Yes, silver bromide, you remember silver chromate. So it's a photo decomposition reaction. Photo. Okay, so electric current means, sir, this will be, you say, what will be, because of the electric current the decomposition takes place. So electrolytic decomposition. Okay, so you write ELEC2 electrolytic decomposition. So you understand, this all are decomposition, but in that decomposition the very type, that's why we have first we have written which are decomposition, after that we have written which type of reaction is decomposition reaction. Okay, so this all things are done. So but we are left with, sir, these two are left. Okay, so decomposition is, now we will go for displacement. Displacement means on the left hand side, on the reactant side, only one will be there, one element will be there, and one compound. One element, one compound. So this can be exchanged with this one, Okay, sir, happening, sir. Why? Because it's a positive one. Let me know it's a positive, and C is positive, and Cl is minus. So plus cannot make with plus, so you should make with this one. It's making a bond with this one. This right. So it's a displacement reaction. It's a displacement reaction. Right answer. Okay. Now next one, sir. Next one, this one again. So displacement. No, it's not a displacement. So obviously it should be a decomposition, double displacement reaction. Okay. So it's a double. It's a we'll see. This we know sodium is plus, SO4 minus, Ba plus, Cl minus. So plus should go with minus. So NaCl making. So it's a double decomposition. Double displacement reaction. So double displacement reaction. So you understand the way I am doing. Okay, we'll do some more sums. So these are some more reactions. Again we will see one by one. Okay, combination means we know what is combination reaction. Okay, anywhere we have only one, no, two products, not possible. Okay, leave. A decomposition reactant, any one. Decomposition, no, two are there. Oh, one is there. One is the decomposition. It's a decomposition reaction. One is there, we're getting the three. Okay, we can get two, three, anything. So it's a decomposition reaction. MPOSI. So it's a decomposition reaction. Okay. Now in decomposition reaction, we have to see which one is this one. So because of it, so it's a thermal decomposition reaction. ERMA. So you understand how to write? Okay, next one. Again, sir, anywhere decomposition reaction? No. Next, after that, if it's not a decomposition reaction, it cannot be any of the part of the thermal, or nothing it will become. Okay. So next is displacement reaction. Displacement means the reactant side, two reactants will be there, where one will be element. One compound, maybe. So it's making a bond with SO4, positive, negative. Yes, it's making. So it's a displacement reaction. It's a displacement. PLACE, displacement reaction. Right answer. Okay. In displacement, no types are there. Okay, done. Next, we'll see displacement. Two are there. This is the two not possible displacement. This one, two are there, not possible. This is not there. So obviously it will be a double displacement. Let me see. In double displacement, you have neutralization is there and precipitation is there. Okay. Now if you'll see this one, what is this one? So if you'll see, this one, we know this, what is this one? Okay, this is minus negative 1 and this is a plus positive 1. Okay, so this one is positive 1 and this is negative 1. Let me see. Negative is going with positive. Positive is going with negative. Yes, it's making. So it's the exchange of radicals. So it's the exchange of radicals means it's a double decomposition reaction. It's a double decomposition reaction. Let us write. So it's a double. Okay, double decomposition reaction. Double decomposition reaction. Now, in that we have two types. Precipitation is there, okay, and neutralization is there. We have, so somewhere I am saying double decomposition, somewhere I am saying double displacement. So both are same. Don't get confused with this is different order. So it's not showing any property because in neutralization we should get salt and water. So we are not getting the water. Okay, so we cannot say it's a neutralization reaction. And its precipitation, this, okay, in its precipitation reaction. So if you see, there's no arrow. As we told you that if there is a down arrow means it's a precipitate. There is not. We are not having any arrow. So it's a double decomposition reaction, sir. But which one? In that it should be any of the above. Sir, it is no. It's not a neutralization reaction. We are not getting the water, salt and water. Salt we are getting. We are not getting the water. It's a salt. We are not getting the water. So obviously it should be precipitation reaction. But we doesn't have that PPT precipitate. No arrow is there. So sometimes they will not give you the arrow. You have to identify which one is a insoluble salt. This is insoluble salt. They have not given the arrow. So you have to identify that one. So with respect to that, what will be this one? It's a, in double decomposition, it's a reaction. It's a precipitate reaction. Precipitate reaction. Okay, in a double decomposition, it's a precipitate reaction. So sir, they will not give you the down arrow. No, in some of the cases you have to identify whether it's a soluble salt or an insoluble salt. So how? You have to read that one from there. Okay, some of the cases they will give you. Okay, so it's done. So we'll left with this one. So again, the left hand side, two are there. So down arrow is there. In this one they have given a down arrow, but in that case it's not there. So it's a precipitate reaction. In double decomposition, you have precipitate reaction. Okay, it's a double. Now I have read displacement. Double decomposition, you have read displacement. Double displacement reaction is a precipitate reaction. Okay, so both are same. So you understood the way we are identifying this one. Okay, everywhere you have to write which type of reaction is that. If inside that any more types are there, you have to identify that one also. Okay, so some more reaction. So if you see again the same thing, combination reaction. No sir, no sir. Combination means two should get. We should get two things. Okay, it's not a combination reaction. Okay, we should get only one thing. Two. No, combination no. Decomposition means left hand only one reactor. Sir, one reactor. No. So it can be a decomposition reaction. Okay. So we'll see. Sir, it's a decomposition reaction. Okay, right? Decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. Okay. Now in that, sir, heat is there. Sir, heat. The symbol is heat symbol, sir. Cool. Reversible reaction. So we can say thermal decomposition. As I explained you, this is reversible. Okay, cool means we will get back this one. Okay, thermal decomposition, very good. Okay, now the decomposition is done. Now displacement. Displacement means left hand only one element with a one compound. Compound not possible. Compound not possible. Okay, so double displacement. We'll see double decomposition. Double decomposition. Yes, sir. Exchange of radicals. Exchange of sir. Previous exchange. Yes, sir. Exchange of radicals is taking place. So it's a double decomposition reaction. In the double decomposition, we'll write double decomposition only. Double displacement or decomposition. You write displacement or decomposition. So double displacement reaction is there. Here also we'll write double displacement we have written. Okay, in that okay, what is that one? It can be neutralization, it can be a precipitation reaction. Precipitation neutralization means salt and water. So water we have, no water, salt is also there, so it's a neutralization reaction. Neutralization, okay. And in this one, sir, a down arrow, sir, precipitate reaction, simple. Precipitate reaction, simple, Hana? So you understand what I'm trying to say? Okay, see this one. So from here what we can say, so thermal, this sign defines thermal, okay, and this water defines it's a neutralization reaction, and this down arrow means it's a precipitation reaction. There are some of the symbols, okay, some of the ways which we can identify with a neutralization reaction, precipitation reaction or thermal decomposition reaction. Okay, understood this one, go for the next one. So now in some of the cases, they will be written combination reaction, somewhere synthesis reaction. So both are similar. So don't get confused with that. As I already told you in the video. Okay, now if you see, I have given some example where all we are having delta sign. Means what do you mean heat? So everywhere heat is there. So with respect to that, okay, we will see what are the three things. Okay, so again the same thing. So after doing so many things, we understood that so it's a decomposition because on the left hand side only one reactant is there, and right side we have the products. Okay. Decomposition means, sir, because of heat, so thermal decomposition. Thermal decomposition is the reaction. Okay. Now again this one, again anywhere one reactant, two products, thermal decomposition. Understood how we are writing? So this all are thermal decomposition. Okay. Decomposition reaction by seeing the reactant on the left hand side. Again here also, so we already did one. So I want to show you that by using this symbol, so they are trying to make you confused. So if your delta sign is there, so everything will be thermal decomposition. No, it's not like that. Okay, it can be something else also. Okay, so this is also thermal decomposition. No, I'm not going to write this one. You have to write by yourself. Okay, now this one, sir, only one product. So it's a combination reaction. Yes, it's a combination reaction or synthesis. Combination you can write, or you can write synthesis. In one reaction I have written combination, in one I have written, so both are different, no, both are same. Okay, so I'm using both the terms, that's why I've written individually. Okay, understood this one? So now in this case, if you will see, heat is there, but it's a combination. Heat is there, synthesis. So it can be synthesis, can be decomposition reaction. Okay, it's not like that. If heat is there only, it will decompose. So one reactant, two product. That also you have to identify. Everything you have to see. Now some more reactions. Okay, so again if you will see here, okay, so two on the reactant side, two compounds. So obviously it will be decomposition, yes, double decomposition. Yes, sir, double decomposition. But in that you have neutralization and precipitation. Neutralization means you will get salt and water. If it is a precipitate, you should give a PPT, precipitate. Down arrow is not there. Okay, any precipitate, no, sodium chloride is not a precipitate. So it's a, what is it? It's a neutralization reaction. So in double decomposition, it's a neutralization reaction. Double displacement or decomposition reaction, it's a neutralization reaction. Understood? Yes, sir, we have understood. Okay. In this one, sir, only one reactant, two products. So decomposition. Sir, this is zero gas. Decomposition. So decomposition reaction. Sir, in decomposition, various type of reactions, sir. If you'll see nicely, they have not given you electricity. Electrolytic decomposition. If you'll see water is there, it's electrolytic decomposition. Okay. Sometimes they'll not give you. So by practicing, by understanding, you'll come to know it is electricity. Electrolytic decomposition. Okay, sometimes they will give you electricity. Okay, so here so two compound on the left side, again this is a double displacement reaction, decomposition reaction. Okay, double decomposition reaction. So sir, here down here is the precipitation reaction. Okay, so in double decomposition it's a precipitation reaction. Double decomposition reaction. In that, it's a precipitate reaction. Okay. Sir, and what is this one? Heating of zinc nitrate? So here they are saying here you have to heat zinc nitrate and tell me what is this type of reaction. So we have to write zinc nitrate formula and we have to break down that one. Yes, you have to write that one and you have to break that one and you have to identify which type of reaction that one. So this reaction you have tried. So zinc nitrate, when I am heating, I am getting this one. So it's a, sir, we know that if it is heating zinc nitrate, okay, only one thing is this. You sir, on the left hand side, when the reactant they have given zinc nitrate and they are saying heat. So if it will decomposition reaction, it will decomposition, but you have to write the reaction also. In the first chapter, I have told you how to write the reaction, how to break down everything I have explained you. So it's a decomposition reaction. Okay, it's a decomposition reaction. Okay, and because of it, it's a thermal decomposition reaction because of it. Okay, sometime in the words also they will use. So you have to understand what is zinc nitrate, how to write this one, and how to break down this one. Okay. So if they say photochemical reaction, so wherever sunlight is there, there's a photochemical reaction. We have did many examples. Silver nitrate is there. If it is not there in the what we say in the video, we have already completed the 4 videos which we did. Okay, and in the if in the presence of electricity is there, if they say write the electrochemical reaction and show that one. If they say write the photochemical reaction, show that you write the equation, you will show how it working, everything you will do. Okay, and some more if they are saying somewhere. Okay, one reaction I have to explain you, one reaction which I have explained, I have to explain in this one only. So we have completed most of the reaction, we saw how to use them, everything we have completed, and this is the end of this part. Okay, where we have did all the equations as well as we have discussed them, how to solve them, how to equate them, and how to use the type of reaction with which